Most people are waiting for the promotion that will finally change things, waiting for the raise that will make saving possible, waiting for the right moment to begin. And the months pass, and the years pass, and the waiting continues, because the raise comes, but the savings do not, because the promotion arrives, but the financial pressure remains, because more income without a different approach to money produces only one result: more spending. Same stress, different number. In Japan, there is a philosophy that has been practiced in factories, workshops, and households for over a century. It does not ask you to earn more. It does not ask you to sacrifice more. It asks you to improve by 1% every day, without stopping. This philosophy is called Kaizen, and applied to money, it creates something that a salary raise never could: wealth that compounds quietly, patiently, and permanently. Today I want to tell you how ordinary Japanese workers used it to build extraordinary financial lives. The factory worker who changed everything. His name was Hiroshi. He was 44 years old. He worked on the assembly line of a manufacturing plant in Nagoya. He had worked there for 19 years. His salary was modest. It had grown slowly over the years, but it had never felt like enough. He had tried to save many times. He had set ambitious targets, cut his spending drastically, told himself this month would be different, and for 2 or 3 weeks it was. Then life happened. A repair, a family expense, an unexpected bill, and the savings he had built disappeared. He felt like he lacked discipline. He felt like financial freedom was for people who earned more. Then one afternoon, during a company training session on production improvement, the trainer said something that stayed with him. He said, "Do not try to fix everything at once. Find one thing. Make it 1% better. Do that every day. The improvement will do the rest." Hiroshi sat with that idea for weeks. He had heard it applied to manufacturing, but he had never heard it applied to money. What if the problem was not his salary? What if the problem was not he was trying to change everything at once? What if the answer was to change one thing by 1%? He opened a notebook. He looked at his monthly spending. He found one category he could reduce by 1% this month. Just one. And he began. The mathematics of small. Imagine a single grain of rice. It is almost nothing. You can barely feel it in your hand. Now, place it on a large flat stone. Tomorrow, place 2 grains beside it. The day after, 3. Every day, add 1 more grain. After 1 week, you have 28 grains, still almost nothing. After 1 month, you have almost 500 grains. After 6 months, you have nearly 50,000. After 1 year, the pile of rice is no longer a handful. It is more than you can carry. Nothing changed except consistency. 1 grain, every day, without stopping. This is the mathematics of Kaizen, and it works on money exactly as it works on rice. Most people try to save in dramatic amounts. They attempt to cut half their spending overnight. They try to save a large portion of their salary immediately, and within weeks they fail. Not because they lack willpower, because the brain rejects dramatic change as unsustainable. The Kaizen approach does something different. It asks for a change so small, the brain does not resist it. 1% less convenience spending this month, not 50%. 1. And next month, 1% more saved, not 10% more. 1. The changes are invisible in the short term. In the long term, they are transformative. A salary that grows by 1% monthly in savings rate goes from 2% saved to 26% saved in just over 2 years. Not through sacrifice, through consistent, tiny, unremarkable improvement. 1%. Every month, without stopping. And here is what most people miss about this mathematics. The early months feel invisible. Nothing appears to be happening. The savings are small. The changes are minor. The improvement is undetectable to anyone watching from the outside. This is the moment most people stop, because they cannot see the mountain forming from the dust. But the dust is accumulating, silently, patiently, exactly as it always has. And the person who keeps adding one more grain every day, even when it feels pointless, even when progress seems invisible, is the person who one day looks behind them and cannot believe how far they have come. 3 areas where Kaizen changes everything. Kaizen applied to money does not work in one area. It works in 3 simultaneously. And the combination of all 3 is where the real transformation happens. The first area is spending. Each month, identify one spending habit that could be reduced by a small amount. Not eliminated, reduced. This month, eat outside 1 fewer time per week. Next month, switch 1 delivery order for a home-cooked meal. The month after, reduce 1 subscription from premium to basic. Each change is almost painless. Together, across 12 months, they free a significant portion of income, without any single decision feeling like deprivation. The second area is saving. Each month, increase your savings amount by a small percentage. If you save 2% of your salary this month, save 2.5 next month. The month after. 3. The increase is so gradual, you will not feel it in your daily life. But your savings account will feel it. Compound growth does not require large deposits. It requires consistent ones. Small amounts saved consistently across a working life create financial security that large irregular amounts can never match. The third area is earning. Kaizen applied to income means investing 1% more of your time into your own skills each month. 1 new skill learned. 1 hour per week spent improving your professional capability. 1 conversation had with someone whose work you admire. Income does not grow through waiting. It grows through consistent small investments in what you can offer the world. Hiroshi understood this. He applied Kaizen to all 3 simultaneously. Not dramatically, not all at once. 1 small improvement. Every month. In each of the 3 areas, the compound effect of 1%. There is a Japanese proverb, Chirin mo tsumoreba yama to naru. Even dust, when piled up, becomes a mountain. This is Kaizen in its simplest form, and it is the most accurate description of what happens when 1% improvement is applied consistently to a financial life. Consider 2 people. They begin with the same salary, the same expenses, the same financial starting point. The first person makes no changes. They wait for conditions to improve. They wait for income to rise before they save more. They wait for discipline to appear before they spend less. After 5 years, they are in almost exactly the same financial position they started. The second person makes 1 small improvement every month. Nothing dramatic, nothing painful. After 1 year, the changes are barely visible. After 3 years, they are noticeable. After 5 years, they are extraordinary. Not because any single decision was heroic, because not 1 month passed without 1 small improvement. The difference between these 2 people at year 5 is not talent, not income, not luck. It is the consistent application of 1%. Hiroshi reached year 5. He looked at his savings. He looked at his spending habits. He looked at the new skills he had learned. And he understood something he could not have understood at year 1. The waiting he had done before Kaizen was not waiting for better conditions. It was avoiding the discomfort of beginning. And beginning had not been painful at all. It had been 1%. One small step. Every month. For 5 years. That was all. The 3 Kaizen Money Rules. Kaizen is not just a concept. It is a practice. And like all practices, it works only when it becomes a consistent habit. Here are 3 rules you can begin this month. Rule 1. The 1% saving increase. This month, add 1% to whatever you currently save. If you save 0, save 1% of your salary. If you save 2%, save 3%. If you save 11%. 1%. Set it to transfer automatically the day your salary arrives. Do not touch it. Next month, add another 1%. The automatic transfer means you never see the money before it is saved. What you do not see, you do not spend. And what compounds quietly in the background builds a foundation you will one day be unable to imagine having lived without. Rule 2. The 1 habit reduction. This month, identify 1 spending habit to reduce slightly, not eliminate, not ban. Reduce by a small amount. Eat outside once less per week. Make 1 fewer delivery order. Cancel 1 subscription you use rarely. Write it down. In 30 days, look at what that 1 reduction saved. The number will be larger than you expect. Then find the next one. 1 habit. Every month. Without judgment. Rule 3. The 1 skill hour. Every week, give 1 hour to improving 1 skill that increases your earning potential. Not because you need a new job today. Because Kaizen applied to income is as important as Kaizen applied to savings. The person who improves their skill by 1% every week is 40% more capable in 1 year. 40% more capable. People do not stay on the same salary forever. 1 hour. Every week. Not to change your life immediately. To change it permanently. What Hiroshi understood. Hiroshi worked on the assembly line for 11 more years after he began applying Kaizen to his finances. He did not become a millionaire. He did not start a company. He did not find a shortcut. But, at the age of 55, he retired from the factory floor. Not because he had to, because he had saved enough that he could choose. He had built that choice 1% at a time. 1 month. 1 small improvement, repeated for 11 years. His colleagues, who had earned the same salary and waited for conditions to improve, retired with almost nothing. He retired with options. Not because he was different from them. He was not. He had the same salary, the same factory floor, the same life circumstances. The difference was that he had stopped waiting. He had stopped believing that wealth required large, dramatic actions. He had started believing that wealth required 1 small, honest action, taken consistently, without stopping. This is what Kaizen teaches. Not that you need more, that you need to begin, because the mountain that looks impossible from a distance is always built from individual grains of dust. And the financial life that seems unreachable from where you stand today is always built from the same material. 1%. Every month, for as long as it takes, which is always less time than the waiting took. Start your 1% this month. Pick one of the 3 areas: saving, spending, earning. Increase or improve by 1% only. Set it. Automate it where possible. Then do not look for results in week 1. Do not measure it in month 1. Give it time. The grain of dust does not look like a mountain on the first day. It looks like a grain of dust. That is exactly what it should look like. To move to the next month. If this story shifted something in how you think about change, subscribe. Every week, I share one Japanese wisdom story that most people never hear. Hit the bell so you never miss one. Tell me in the comments, which of the 3 areas will you apply your first 1% to this month? I read every comment. And if you want to go deeper, watch this video next. It reveals why Japanese people never borrow money they cannot return, and what their relationship with debt can teach you about building financial freedom. The link is on your screen right now.